We will be surrounded by AI agents very soon. My agent will be talking to your agent, and they will be making agreements, right? Negotiating with each other.
Welcome to Unstoppable Podcast with Harry Sardinas, inspiring conversations with influential millionaires, investors, thought leaders, entrepreneurs who are making a massive difference with their innovative products and services, and sharing the challenges and wisdom of how they sold their first million.
And then you need it and you're going to buy it.
Yeah. So they assume that they can just jump and start, selling. And I always tell them, no, build the trust.
They are salespeople. They're getting a salary and they supposed to know about selling. Yeah, that's what they're getting paid for. And I'm like, guys, this is you're getting paid to sell. This is what we're trying to share with you is very basic. You don't need to go to Stanford. It's something very basic.
Exactly. That's right.
You don't meet one person and say, hey, buy my product because it's good. You need to do this, and this is amazing, and you should buy it. And you do a sales pitch in front of strangers. How do you think that this is going to go? It doesn't. But again and again and again, Andre, we see this in the sales force out there and us when we are trying to create an experience, because at the end of the day, that experience is gonna make the most of everyone.
Right, makes the difference.
Exactly. If everybody have a great experience, the guests to the event and the speakers, they all have a great experience. We create a great experience, and everybody have a space to articulate what they do and what they can help others. Now you are in a different in a different level. So Andre, finally you end up coaching and all these your tech companies partners. You ended up coaching the sales team, and you had to enroll them in the idea. Hey, this is something different. It's not about selling pitch and who make the most exciting sales pitch. This is about an experience, about to build relationship, and eventually you can even achieve a bigger sale.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I really like what you said, Harry, about experience. We are moving into, well, I guess I would even say that we're already in a post-industrial society for many years, right? In the industrial society, that's when people more valued buying products by themselves, right? Like when you're building a house and you want to equip your kitchen with kitchen appliances and you go to buy that stuff, you don't really need that much of an experience. I mean, like maybe 50 years ago, you did not need that, and our parents did not need, because they needed to buy that appliances. That was industrial age. Post-industrial age, that's where we live right now. It's very different. You actually want to have an experience, integrated experience with what you're buying, right? So it's not just about the utilitarian value of that particular product that you would bring your home and you turn it into a power plug and it starts working for you. No, people actually want to have sort of a connection with their appliances, connection with those products. They want to have an ongoing relationship with the company that produced them, right? So our homes have become much more sort of an experience producing place. And the same about any other business as well. I think the human touch, especially during the age of AI, when there will be so much automated, the human touch will be very important. Because we will be surrounded by AI agents very soon. My agent will be talking to your agent, and they will be making agreements, right? Negotiating with each other. And only after that, Harry and Andre will sit down and start having a conversation. So
Wow, that
those,
would be amazing how much time we're gonna save. Yeah.
oh yes, right? We
The
spend a lot
most
of,
valuable resource that the human being
yes,
can have is time, especially in business. We need a business consume. There is something that consume being in business is time, because you have time. You need time to
exactly.
learn about everything. So Andre, our listeners are in love with our conversation and want to know more about the Silicon Valley Innovation Center and the Briolink AI, how people can find you, how
Well,
the
it's very
process work,
easy.
what exciting product have you created in Briolink AI? Tell us a little bit more about this and how they can find
Sure.
you also.
Yeah, if any of your customers, or I'm sorry, your audience, I'm already have some
You
students
already
of
have
mine.
the business mind in place, yeah.
If any of your audience, people in the audience would want to, if they work in a company that would want to come to Silicon Valley and they would want to get that kind of a training program developed, they can just go to Google and search for Silicon Valley Innovation Center. We will come up first, our website, and send me a message. I'm available at email, like email akunov@gmail.com, very easy, and I'll be happy to respond to any of them. And with Briolink is kind of a similar thing. You go on Google and find Briolink. We develop custom AI solutions for our corporate clients all over the place. We
Wow.
build a very interesting agent, AI agent, which
Wow.
does a full marketing automation for companies. Essentially, what we do is we kind of created this agent is like your assistant who will publish any kind of posts on your behalf based on your style, and it would do that automatically. So it's almost like having a live assistant who would be posting for you on all of your social media automatically without you doing anything there at all.
Is
And
it
I just like,
working? Is it working, the Briolink, or is it in beta phase?
well, we're almost finished developing that. And if people come to Briolink website, or actually maybe LinkedIn, Briolink, they will be able to see lots of interesting posts that our AI agent is doing for us. Yeah, we're
Wow.
already using it, but as a service. It will become available as a SaaS sort of a solution within the next couple of months. But it's already working. We already have multiple clients who are using our marketing automation solution. So they can find it on our website.
Wow, Andre, thank you so much. That has been amazing, the interview. And for all of you following this broadcast, see you in our next episode of Unstoppable, how brave entrepreneurs like Andre break that wall and achieve the first million. Bye for
Harry,
now.
thank you very much for your time. I really
Pleasure.
like this experience.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. You're very good.
Have a great
Bye-bye.
day.
Follow us for more interviews with world's most influential, audacious entrepreneurs that overcame challenges and adversity, providing you with the blueprint of how they sold their first million so you can grow your business exponentially.